guys, hello everyone. आज चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ पढ्न थालेको छौँ। होमवर्क गर्न चाहिँ मेरो बहिनीले पनि होमवर्क गर्दैछ। मम्मी चाहिँ उतापट्टि खाना बनाउँदै हुन्छ। हेर्नुहोला, रोटी अनि मासु। आज खाना चाहिँ हाम्रो चाहिँ मेरो भाइ सुतेछ। हामी चाहिँ होमवर्क गर्न लागेछौँ।
Reading गर होमवर्क गर्दै
एन्ड रिडिङ गर्न लागेछौँ।
सुरुबाट म त रिडिङ गर्छु।
गर्दैछ
अगाडि च्याप्टर 1 देखि पढ्ने त
त्यसको इंग्लिश। I am your teacher. I am your teacher. My name is Dad. Yes, I am there. Hello dear. Hello dear. Hello dear. Hello dear. How are you? Why are you?
As it is.
What is your name? What is your name? My name is Anna. And
I go to school. I go to school. I meet my friend. And also
pop.
Hello.
My love.
How are you?
My love.
How are
Say
you?
hello.
I am good. I am
Hello,
a
dear
leader.
parents. Hello.
Object
Hello,
Hello,
dear
How
parents.
are you? How are you? I
How
am a
do
great.
you
I am a great. I
take
am a
this
great.
bowl?
I am great. How?
Sapana
How-
get up
Sapna ka sir?
evening morning at 4 a.m. Giving us a good bus.
No.
He say good.
How object?
He say good morning, Papa and Mommy. 8 9 m. He say goodbye.